Hi, in this video we will be revisiting the configuration file of the code generator, and we will be looking at multiple interfaces, the use of multiple interfaces within the module element. Let's start here at the domain. The domain name is SEPA 2009 to separate it from other versions of that standard, notably 2012. And within that domain we have a module pane. We could also have a module packs for that matter, but we don't have that here. And we have within the pane we have multiple interfaces, each of which corresponds with a schema file that's part of the standard. So there's something that is important to notice. Since all the SEPA standard documents have a common root type, which is document, obviously we don't want that to be overwritten each time the code generator generates code for one of the interfaces. So what we do, we use an optional attribute here in the interface which says root type rename. So the document type is being renamed to pane 001 version 03 document for this interface, and for this interface here it is renamed to pane 002 version 03 document, which makes sense because the package structure will be identical. It will be com.ldx.sepa 2009.pane. That's because we have set up multiple interfaces here and not multiple modules. We have to make sure that they don't get overwritten. Okay, that's the way we do it. And then for the first interface we also set a processor and an application, which are optional, but they will tell the generator that we like to generate a default processor and the application glue. So let's try and do that. As you can see, we are invoking the generator with the configuration file 2009 pane config.xml. Okay. There it is. Code was generated, and what we will do now, we will use that code from within Eclipse. So we're going to set up a new project, and we will put in the name here, finish. Next thing we do is we add libraries. We add the library that we prepared in one of the other demos, and we import the source code from the directory where we just generated the code. Okay, so we're done. Now we're going to execute this to see whether it runs. Well, as you can see, it did run indeed, and so we can start working on our project, adjusting the processor. Here the processing is being done, and we will be visiting that in later videos. Here you see all of the pane classes that were generated, which are quite a few because it's a big standard, and the different pane handlers that we see here. Okay, see you later.